Hey guys, this is Abhishek again, and today I'm riding Kawasaki Ninja 300. Recently, one of my sir who has purchased this bike, so I just asked him for a test drive. So he said, "Come today morning and have a go on it." So I'm just riding this, and I just love the acceleration of this bike. It's superb. It's parallel twin cylinder, 300cc, 39 HP. Awesome. If you look from the side, the color is awesome. Green color, which is I think patent color of Kawasaki. The headlights are superb, and it has got ABS as standard now. The price of this bike is 3.5 lakhs on road in Indore, which is much higher than other comparative bikes to Ninja, which is RC390, which is around 80,000 less than this. Apache RR310, which is around 2.5 in Indore. So, but this has got parallel twin engine. So that's why the price of this bike is much higher. And Kawasaki has changed its tires from Michelin to MRF for cost cutting. The tires are good, grippy. The digital and analog console speedometer of this bike is good. Means most of the other bikes like Apache and RC get full digital speedometer. This has got analog and digital mix. But this is not having gear indicator. That is a drawback. One more thing, it has got slipper clutch. That is a plus point in this bike. And fuel tank is of 17 liters, which is very good. Means for long rides, long tours. And fuel efficiency, companies claiming around 30. So we can get almost between 25 to 30. That is a good point. And rest, the bike is very good. Means the styling of this bike is purely like Ninja ZX10R. It has Ninja 300 also uses floating style windscreen with gap between cowl and the windscreen, and it has got world's smallest ABS unit. This Ninja 300 2018 model is really one of the best model Kawasaki has launched under 500cc, because this before 300 there was 250 Ninja and 400cc Ninja. 300 is around 3.5 on road, 400 is around 4.45. Ninja 650 is around 5.5 on road. Okay, now I have to take a U-turn. From where should I go? Go. Oh, the signal got green. I will take the right turn. Okay, let's check this road and let's see how does the bike behave in traffic. Okay, let's. U-turn is a very big problem. It has a very big radius. For taking U-turn, you need to check the space before taking a U-turn. Hope you guys like this video. Please share your feedback in the comments, and my next video will be coming very shortly about 5 years with KTM Duke 390. Till then, goodbye.